So hello everyone, we all are here to conduct the TPU's first activity, which is self-introduction. Firstly, I would like to begin with my introduction. So hello everyone, I am Gauri Suryavamshi. I am from Kolhapur. I have done my schooling from Jai Bharat High School Kolhapur, securing 97% in the SSC exam. Then I completed 12th from the New College Kolhapur. I got 94% in the HSC exam. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree in second year of Mechanical from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Along with Mechanical, I like coding very much. I am very passionate about programming languages like C and Python. Also, I have good knowledge of HTML and CSS. My hobbies are drawing, playing chess, and I like to learn new things eagerly. Also, I like to participate in various activities. I had participated in the National Engineering Olympiad 5.0 and also successfully qualifying the first round of it. Also, I took part in the national level Codefista coding competition. I am the team member of Baha at SAE Club Karat and working on the braking subsystem. My future goal is to work in the IT sector where I can use my skills and technologies to solve the real world problems. Thank you. That's all from my side. Next, I would like to call Pratik for giving his introduction.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratik Vilas Thorat. I am from Nadshi. I have completed my 10th from Yashwantrao Chavan Vidyalaya, Yashwant Nagar with 92 percentage in SSC board. I have completed my 12th from Ligadi Patil Junior College of Science, Karad with 82 percentage in HSC board and 93 percentage in MST CET. I am studying in Government College of Engineering, Karad from Mechanical branch. I want to become an IAS officer. My hobbies are playing cricket and swimming. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Pratik. Next is Omkar.
Good morning to everyone. Hi, I'm Kalkapal from Mine, Satrala District. I completed my 10th Sanjeevani which is in Kolhapur district with board percentage of 93.20. I completed my 12th from the Gallipoli University of Science, Karar with board percentage of 86.31 and CET percentile of 95. Today I am currently pursuing the BTech degree from Government College of Engineering, Karar. My aim is to become an IAS officer. My hobbies are playing chess and playing football. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next is Suyash.
Hello everyone, good morning. I am Suresh Palankar from Basni, District Kolhapur. I am 20 years old. I completed my 10th in New School Junior College Basni with 92% and 12th in New School Junior College Basni with 62%. Now I am pursuing my BTech Mechanical second year in Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Karar. Why I'm take mechanical? Because I'm very interested in car designing and car engines. I am learned some new courses from Coursera like data science and AutoCAD, and I would like to interested learn computer language like C, C++, Java, and Python. My short-term goal is to secure good rank in GATE exam. My strengths are I am honest, self-motivated, and disciplined in my work. My hobbies are playing volleyball, swimming, cycling. Okay, thank you. That's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Suyash. Next is Shraddha.
Good morning everyone. I am Kai Shraddha Sopan from Nasik. I completed my 12th standard in SHM College Kopargaon and currently I am pursuing my BTech in second year of Mechanical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karan. Along with my academics, I am interested in coding Nowadays, I am learning different programming languages like C, C++, Python. I had done my certification in artificial intelligence and machine learning. In first year, I am done many activities. I am participated in Science Day project competition arranged by our college and made a project on website development using HTML and CSS. I had also participated in Vertex event arranged by Valchan Sangli and a runner-up of Technobuzz event. In college, I am a member of SAE Baha Club and Robo Club. I am very self-motivated, enthusiastic and positive thinker. My hobbies are listening music, reading book and learning new things in free time. My short-term goal is secure good rank in GATE and admitted in IIT for MTech. And my long-term goal is become a financial independent. This is all about me. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Shraddha. Next is Smith.
Hello everybody, I am Smith Patil from Alibag, Raigad district. I completed my primary education from Esvidya Vidyalaya Pen and junior college from Apte Prashala Pune with 98 and 72 percentages respectively. Currently I am pursuing my second year of BTech in mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. Apart from academics, my hobbies are designing, making digital illustrations and writing small comic gags. Apart from that, I participated in the cartooning event of this year's youth festival from our college. Currently, I am a member of our college's SAE FE cycle team, in which I am working on a suspension subsystem. All these things taught me about team spirit and how to become a good team member. My short-term goal is to do MTech from reputed institutes like IITs and NITs. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next is Shubham.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shubham Krishna Zamdade. I am from Karad. I have completed my 10th education in Tech High School Karad. We secure 90% in SSC and 12th education in Shikshan Maharshi Bapuji Solanki College Karad. We secure 80% in SSC. I am pursuing my BTech in second year mechanical engineering in Government College of Engineering Karad. My hobbies are playing cricket, traveling and learn the new things. My strength is I am a hardworking and confident person. Currently, I am learning the course of Python C++ language in Coursera. My aim is I will become a class 1 officer. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shubham. Next is Swarali.
Hello everyone, my name is Swarali Satish Kulkarni and I am from Pandharpur. I completed my 10th standard from DHK Prashala Pandharpur with 95% and 12th standard from KBP College Pandharpur with 80%. Currently I am pursuing my BTech degree from Government College of Engineering Karad in mechanical branch. My hobbies are playing badminton and reading books and listening music. My short-term goal is to complete my BTech degree with good marks and to get in IT sector. That's all from my side.
Okay, thank you, Swarali. Next is Rohit.
Hello everyone, good morning to all. I am Rohit Shrikant Takle. I basically come from Pandharpur. I have completed my class 10th from Sri Narayan Guru Vidya Bhavan, Bhilai, which is in Durga district in Chhattisgarh, and class 12th from Karmavir Gaurav Patil Mahavidyalaya, Pandharpur. Currently, I am pursuing GTech in second year mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. On their academics, I have recently enrolled for web development course in Coursera, and I also learned the basics of Git and GitHub. My strengths are I am honest in my work, I am flexible to any kind of situations, and I am always keen to learn new things whenever I get chance. My hobby is playing cricket, listening music. My aim is to join Indian Army. That is all about myself. Thank you.
Next is Ritesh.
Yes, my name is Ritesh Prashant Trambake. I'm completed my 10th standard in Baramati and 12th completed in SGI with 82%. Currently, I am studying Karad Government in mechanical. My hobby is only marketing. That's all.
Okay. So thank you to all for participating in this activity. Thank you.